to Hauz Khas to try out its super cute Korean style food. The one that went viral after lovely run.
저기?
But I thought, why go there when your coder friend can make it at home? Presenting to you my styled photo booth. Welcome to Harshita's photo booth. I had big dreams at first. Designed everything on Figma, imagined filters and flawless perfection. But let's be real, guys. Perfection is a myth. Consistency is the game. After many hits and misses, here's what I built. Something close to my prototype with a touch of warmth and mysticness. It's a soft red tint like a warm Seoul sunset glow. Simple, minimal, but gives that cozy feel. It's super easy. Just click, wait for the countdown, pose, and boom! You get a snapshot and a collage to download. Your every own photo booth moment, coded from scratch. Enjoyed this tiny tech project? Turn memory machine, drop a like, comment, and maybe subscribe for more creative experiments. And remember, sometimes all it takes is code and creativity to bring the Korean aesthetic to your screen. See you in the next one.